What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can change AliExpress shipping address. Okay, so you can do the exact same steps on your phone, okay, your Android phone or iPhone or your PC, the exact same steps. Now if you are using your phone, just open the AliExpress app, and then after that you want to click on the account, and then after that you want to click on where it says here settings. Okay, so after, guys, you click on settings, you want to click on shipping address. Okay, and here you will find your default shipping address. Okay, if you can't find it, click on edit, okay, to change it, or you can add a new one. And after that you want to add here the name and stuff, like your name and everything, for example the city, the zip code, the phone number, and then click on confirm. Okay, so the last name, of course, and here the parchment like this, then click confirm. As you can see, guys, we have added an address, as you can see here. Now this is going to be default address. Now after we buy something, after we want to buy something, this is the address that will be used. Okay, now you can also add a new address here. As you can see, you can also add a new address here. You can add multiple addresses. Okay, now after you want to, like, after you go now to AliExpress to buy something, let's say I want to buy this product. I don't know why this is taking so long. Like, I'm going to, yeah, this product, for example. Now I'm going to act like I'm going to buy it. Click on buy now, and this is the address that you are going to see. Okay, now if you want to change it, you can just change it here. You can also click on change here, and then click on edit, and you can change it here. Okay, you can change the address here, you can change your name, you can change everything. I'm going to do that right now. Click confirm, and make it, if you want to set it as default, set it as default. So that's going to be default address, and then that's it. And then, yeah, you can buy. Now after you, as you can see on the app, after you click on buy now, click on change the address, and you can change it to any address you want. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like. If you need any help, I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments what questions you have, and I will reply to you guys. And drop a like, and see you guys in the next one.